May the peace, blessings, and mercy with you Muhammad in a new video. Of course, guys, it is necessary to like and subscribe so that the information can spread to all people. Of course, guys, now we will enter Blogger in our new video. We want to free up some space from the 70 gigabytes. We now have 70 gigabytes partition, or if you have a partition and want to free up space. Or do you want to create a new partition? Guys, one of these is called a partition and this one is called a partition. So let's make a new one now and see how much we can save and how much we can do. We will close and open something called Computer Management. We will enter the search bar and type Computer Management, which will be like this. This is a management computer. First, I open as. Soon as you open it, you will enter the storage, or if you do not find it from here, you can enter it from here. As soon as you enter it, click here. Or from here. After that, you will find all the partitions you have. I now only have one place to store the partitions. Of course, I want to divide it now. Hindus right-click on our partition that we want to divide in. Then we enter. After that, we can clear the space and choose what we want. Of course, now I have, for example, yes, you can write the number with 3 zeros next to it. Now I want to free up 10 gigabytes, so I write 10 followed by 3 zeros. You can do it this way or you can do another 10 gigabytes in another way, but it's normal. You can do 10 and 3 zeros, which is better. It won't be very accurate, but it will be 10 gigabytes. Like for example 999 normal, I mean. It will create a new folder for I'll make 9 gigabytes 37 as if it were 10 gigabytes. Come here and then press right click. After that, we choose next. We will choose the entire space because we chose a small part that will make a partition for us in half of this space. Next, now we can name the partition A with whatever letter we want now. For example, what should we make it? Now click next. You now have to choose the type of partition. You can choose what you want, but now I choose the DFC. It is better than 32, so he chooses it. After that, you can choose a location. I mean, what can you choose? Something that has nothing to do with something that is not necessary. Choose default as long as possible. For example, you can name it whatever you want, such as, what, and what now? Can we press next finish? Now we have a new partition called. Come on, let's go in and see him. We will open the file management and we will find the new partition. We will enter it now. It is an empty partition that I can access. What files do I want? I have 9 gigabytes of the 70 gigabytes that was free. Now I want to return it or I want to return it to the way it was. Go to file management as I did, and here we will go and click on format. No, it's not a form. Hindus on the movie yes and now it has been deleted. Now if we come Hindus on. I got a setback and then Hindus got a setback too. Finch. So we added 97 GB to 100 gigabytes. Now it is 100 gigabytes as it was. It is back again as it was. It was 90 gigabytes, but I don't know what it means. It is empty of 60 gigabytes and it is back again as it. So we have made space and added space. Okay, now I was empty of my CV, for example. I went back to the computer from where I got it. Compute theology. Go to storage. Disk manager. And I still have it. Marwan and in Mr. Marwan here we can press reload. It's back to normal again. 99 and then 70 again. He is the one who cancelled the path I was working on. What is the partition now? So we created a new partition, found it, and knew how to delete and add. So now I want to increase the CV and what don't I want? There is a problem here. Some people face that sometimes there is a small file that remains. Separate them in this file. We don't know whether to add this here or that there. Even if we assume this, we can't add what came out of it here. You are a Muslim, you can leave the house. For example, after the update, for example, or anything, you will find something like this appearing. We can't cancel it or do anything to add this to that again. Or this again. I won't be able to do it at all. And Muhammad was with you. I hope I just want you to like, subscribe and save the video. Because I know that you will come back to him and come back to him and come back to him. Anyone with a laptop? He will need these videos. Okay, bye.